There comes a moment in every man's life when he begins to measure strength differently, not in how much he can lift or how fast he can run, but in how fully he can show up for himself, for those he loves, for the life that still pulses within him. After 60, strength is not loud, it's steady, it's intentional, it's silent resolve. And yet, even the strongest man can feel his body start to shift. The power that once surged effortlessly may now feel distant, slowed, dimmed. And one of the most unspoken struggles a man faces in this chapter is not weakness, it's disconnection from his drive, from his energy, from the part of himself that once defined his confidence. The truth is, as hormones decline and circulation weakens, the very core of masculine identity begins to feel uncertain, not broken, not lost, but waiting for attention, for care, for something real. You are not alone. Millions of men experience this quiet change, the slower mornings, the lack of desire, the restlessness, the fatigue. But what you must understand is this: it's not just aging, it's a signal, a call to nourish, a chance to return to the wisdom of the body. Because your body hasn't given up on you, it's asking you to come back. And the answer is not always found in pills or prescriptions. Sometimes, the most powerful medicine grows in silence, in the ground, in tiny living forms, seeds, small, but potent, forgotten, yet ancient. These are nature's secret weapons, and today, we return to them. 3 seeds, that's all. 3 seeds that, when taken daily, can help improve blood flow, support testosterone levels, reduce inflammation, and restore the balance your body longs for. They are not magic, they are nourishment, designed by creation itself, built to fuel male vitality from the inside out. The first seed is one that ancient cultures revered as sacred, small, flat, and full of life: flaxseed. Inside this humble seed lies a world of healing. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, which helps reduce plaque in arteries and promotes better blood circulation. But that's not all. It also contains lignans, plant compounds that support hormone balance, protect against prostate enlargement, and promote a healthy libido. Flax seeds also contain fiber that helps stabilize blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and support weight balance, all essential for hormone production. When your insulin is stable and your weight is healthy, testosterone rises naturally. You don't need injections, you need intention. Take 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed each day. Add it to your oatmeal, your smoothie, your soup. It doesn't take much, but it adds up. Day after day, the body begins to respond. Then comes the second seed, dark, round, almost hidden in plain sight: pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. These tiny green treasures are packed with zinc, one of the most important minerals for male reproductive health. Zinc is essential for testosterone production, prostate function, and sperm health. But most men over 60 are deficient, not because they don't care, but because no one ever told them how important this mineral truly is. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium, crucial for muscle relaxation, blood vessel dilation, and circulation. When magnesium is low, stress hormones rise, cortisol spikes, and testosterone drops. But when magnesium is present, the nervous system calms, blood flows freely, the body softens into strength. Eating a small handful of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds each day can change your chemistry. They're not just snacks, they're signals. Signals to your body that you still choose to be strong. And now, the third seed, often overlooked, often dismissed, but deeply powerful: sesame seeds. These ancient seeds are filled with healthy fats, antioxidants, and plant sterols that support hormonal balance. But what makes sesame truly special is its rich content of lignans and vitamin E compounds that help improve circulation and protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Sesame seeds also support liver function, an organ that plays a key role in hormone metabolism. A clean liver means more balanced hormones. A strong liver means less estrogen dominance, which often creeps up in men after 60, lowering testosterone and increasing belly fat. Sprinkle sesame seeds on salads, vegetables, or stir them into tahini. Let them become a quiet ally in your daily healing. With every bite, you're not just eating, you're rebuilding. Now imagine this: each day, you begin with a small routine: a tablespoon of ground flax in your morning bowl, a handful of pumpkin seeds as an afternoon snack, a spoonful of sesame over your dinner. Simple, gentle, natural. But behind these seeds is a powerful truth. Your body is still capable of change. It is still responding. It is still alive. You don't need to fight your age. You need to feed your age, because what you feed grows. If you feed stress, it grows. If you feed sugar, it grows. But if you feed circulation, hormones, vitality, they grow too. You choose what rises inside you. These seeds do not promise miracles. They promise partnership. They meet you where you are and offer what the body craves: stability, nourishment, balance. You don't have to understand the science. You only need to feel the difference. Within weeks, you'll notice it. More energy, better focus, fewer nighttime interruptions, a sense of calm returning, and yes, more strength, more presence, more desire. You'll stand taller, sleep deeper, love more fully, not because of the seeds, but because of what they represent, that you took control, that you decided to care, that you refused to give up, because this is not decline. This is rebirth. Your masculinity is not fading, it's evolving. And with every seed, with every choice, with every small act of care, you are reminding your body, your heart, and your spirit, I am still here. I am still strong. I still have something to give. Let flax bring the flow. Let pumpkin feed your strength. Let sesame steady your fire. And let your life, your love, and your legacy rise again stronger, wiser, more alive than ever before.